We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you...
Hello, my crafty friends, and happy holidays. My name is Robyn Pitts with the Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to day 11 in our 12 Days of Christmas Craft series. We are in the home stretch. For today's project, I have created a fun 5x7 loaded envelope with a flip book. You may recall during my 13 Days of Halloween craft series, I did show you a 5x7 loaded envelope flip book, and several of you requested that I do a tutorial, so I wanted to make sure that I got the tutorial done for this craft series. This loaded envelope is all about dogs. In fact, I used this fun paper stack by Recollections. It's called Christmas Pets. When I saw this, I fell in love with it. I am a dog lover, and many of my friends are dog lovers as well. In fact, this project is going to my neighbor who recently lost his dog over the summertime. But the good news is he did adopt a new dog this fall, and so I wanted to do something that celebrated the new dog and welcome him, and that was fun and whimsical. And so I've created this adorable loaded envelope. On the top here I have cute little stickers that say "Bad to the Bone," and you can see this metal doggy paw. I think that's so cute. Here we have a cut apart from the paper collection that says Santa Paws. I'm going to write my little Christmas note on this. In the back, I've included this dog treat. It's called a bull ring, and dogs like to chew on this for hours and hours, and it's all natural. And I also included in these front pockets these adorable doggy bow ties. My neighbor is extremely fashionable, and I think he will absolutely love these little doggy bows. Plus, he's having a big Christmas Eve party, so his new dog, Bowser, will get to wear one of these. I really love the construction of this loaded envelope. As I mentioned before, this was not my original design. It was created by KK Creations, and she created a version that was 4x6. I wanted to do something that was larger, and I also added changes of my own. So I created this with all of the new dimensions, which you will see in my tutorial. But I love the box, and you can hold a lot of fun goodies in it. On the front here, I've just layered up the paper. I love these adorable little Christmas dogs. And then we have a little doggy biscuit here that says Faithful Friend. This is what the side of the loaded envelope looks like. It stands up. It's an easel. And this is the flip book part. I think this is so fun. Bowser is the name of my neighbor's new dog, and I love these typewriter buttons. I think they added a lot of fun dimension on top of this doggy bone. And then we have a cute cut apart from the collection that says Yappy Holidays, and then I added in some little doggy paws. This is held together with a magnetic closure, and it flips open like so. And then you have a full space here to add photos. On the inside here, you have a pocket. And look at this cute border. I think this is so funny. Happy Holidays, Feliz Naughty Dog, we woof you a Merry Christmas. I just got a kick out of this paper. And inside this pocket, I've included some of the cut-aparts. This one says, Bark the Hair Old Angel Sings. Is that cute or what? And this one says Happy Holidays. And I've left these blank so you can include more journaling or photos on the back. This flip book has this plastic sheet, and on the top I've included a fun cut apart that says Feliz Naughty Dog. And then on the bottom, this is a photo of Max. He's holding his little toy. So cute. We miss him so much. And on the back, I've left this blank so that you can fill this up with more photos. This is the next page. This is also Max. And we've got a full photo here. On the next page, I have this adorable little cut apart that says Bah Hum Pug, and another enamel little doggy paw. When I open this up, I have a little sticker here that says I belong to, and this is Bowser, the new dog. Isn't he cute? On top it says Happy Holidays. I've included this sticker here that says loyal, and then added some ribbon and baker's twine. You can include journaling up here or a smaller photo. On the next page we have another tip in, and this is created from the 4x6 cut apart. I've included a little sticker here that says feed me, and then we have a doggy collar with cute little doggy bones. On this side you can include a photo, and here's another photo of Bowser. I also added this double gatefold waterfall. On the front here it says Dash Hound Through the Snow. This is held together with a magnet. When I open this up, we have a space here for more photos, and in fact these little doggy bones are a little tuck spot, so you can just slide your photo underneath it like so. We've got several areas here on the waterfall to include photos. I've covered the paper on the front and the back. We've got little doggy bones. This little doggy is so cute with his little bowl full of food. And then you can include another photo here. And this area here I intentionally left blank, and I've also used light paper so it could be used as a journaling spot. They may want to include the date that they adopted Bowser, some of the fun things that they've noticed about him since they've had him over the last few months. Just a nice area to personalize. And then last but not least, I added this cute little sticker that says you had me at woof. This concludes my review of my 5x7 Loaded Envelope Flipbook. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas, and I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial that I created. If you like the video and the tutorial, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please join us tomorrow for our 12th and final day of the 12 Days of Christmas Craft series. Also on the 25th, we will be doing a drawing to select the winners of our giveaways. Be sure to check back tomorrow to see which prizes will be given away. Thank you so much for joining me. I wish you and your family a very happy holiday. Bye for now.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish